guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today is a semi-tita vlog, but before I share with you this new vlog of mine, make sure that you're already subscribed and you've already clicked on that bell button so you're always notified whenever I have new videos like this one. So for today's vlog, I've decided to share with you my favorite home appliances because I feel like as a true homemaker, this is something that a lot of you would be interested in. And also because whenever I use these appliances on my IG stories, a lot of you always send me these DMs. So I figured this would help everyone. Okay, so for our first favorite home appliance, it's currently being brought in by my assistant. Okay, assistant. Ta-da! It is our air fryer. Please take a seat, assistant. Okay, so we like this air fryer because I love eating like unhealthy food, but at least this time with an air fryer, it doesn't make you as guilty because you can basically cook stuff without having to add oil. So you still get all that fried food goodness, but without the oil. So it's technically healthier. So even for example, if you want to eat French fries, so it's not as sinful. We just cook it there. As demonstrated by the hubs. No need for any oil or anything like that. Or like liempo, we also cook it there. I also bought some like different types of pans so it doesn't stick on the grill thingy. Our air fryer is KitchenMate. Actually, my parents have had this in our family home for the longest time, but no one has been using it because no one cares to be healthy there. So my sister...
It was a golf win, I guess.
It was, I think, a prize in one of the golf tournaments they joined. So then, it has now been donated to us. You can also cook steak, like we do our pork steak here. You can even like bake stuff. So, a lot of different air fryer recipes that you can Google online. For our next favorite home appliance, it is dun 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 dun! Wait lang the cup. Technical difficulties. Dun 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 dun! It is our beautiful electric hot pot slash grill that you guys have seen on my Instagram stories. It is the most famous Instagram story ever. It's by Bear. I'm gonna put a link down below because I actually already found the Philippine supplier for this. It's gonna be easier for you. No longer will it have the Chinese words here. It's gonna be like mine with the English instructions, the English controls. So you've got here one side that's for the hot pot and another side as the grill. And you have this cute cover for the hot pot. When we were using this cooking our Korean food barbecue thing, we actually used both sides. You can use both sides naman. It doesn't have to be just on the grill side. We have two of this, one for me and one for
me.
Yeah. It's perfect for two people actually. Two people can already eat with the one thing, but if you're also just like one person, perfect pa rin siya if you guys want like your own. At least, for example, if you have people like me who's allergic to, let's say, a shrimp or a seafood-based broth, at least he can have the seafood-based broth and I can have like the allergy-free type of broth. So it's also kind of smoke-free, right, Hobbs?
I don't know if the wind was your direction, but I didn't notice any.
I didn't also, so maybe it's smoke-free.
It was pretty good.
Yeah, and it's super duper light. And it's millennial pink. And for our third favorite home appliance...
Right. Our third favorite home appliance is... Nutribullet. It comes with two of these mixing cups, very easy to use. So you have the cup where you put the ingredients, and then you have the blade. So like you just roll it in, put it here, push it down, turn, and it starts
blending everything in. So that's where we make all our smoothie drinks and our smoothie bowls.
Correct. It's not the most powerful mixer in the world, but it's been sufficient for us. It mixes ice well, it mixes all the frozen stuff well, so it's been working. It's powerful enough. And then what's convenient is that you can actually use these mixing cups as your cup. So you take it out from the Nutribullet, and then you have a handle, which you just screw or attach to the cup, and you have a cup.
Masado na ba kami for O-Shopping? QVC.
But that's not all.
If we call now, you get 2 plus 1. Our fourth favorite appliance is dun, 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 dun. It's our Vornado. So this is, I think, the Vornado 660. Not sure, but you'll see it in the link down below. But it's our trusty Vornado. It's an air circulator. It's kind of like the Dyson, except it doesn't have an air purifier thingy on it. I like it because it's super duper strong. I love the Dyson also because of the air purifying. Like you get a cooling plus air purifying. But if you want like a really powerful air circulator, eto na po tayo ang bagyong typhoon number 6. Super Typhoon Yoni. Joke lang. So there. So this is really super duper powerful. So the one that we got actually has 4 settings. So got like 1, 2, 3, 4 there. It doesn't oscillate though. What is the definition of oscillate?
Oscillate is to turn. Automatic turn.
Yeah, it doesn't. It just goes up and down. So up and down. But sobrang powerful niya. Sa tipong tornado, ganon, typhoon.
And then, item number 5. Made it to top 5 list. Miss Camille Cause Vacuum. You tell me what it is because you have hijacked it. I have never seen it in the house. It's always with her.
It's in my walk-in closet. It came with me from my family's home up to here because it is mine, Hubsies.
I see.
Yes. And so you guys know that we have the big Dyson V11, right? This is the Dyson V6 mattress. And so I really love this because this was my first ever cordless vacuum. I think it actually started my road to OC-ness because every time I see something, I just... And it's so convenient because it's so light. It's not as heavy as the usual, like regular standard Dyson vacuums. But it also comes with like 3 different ones. So it has this that you can pull down, and then you have this, and then you also have the one for the mattress. So it's perfect. It already is able to get like, let's say, mga bed bugs and stuff like that. It's so powerful and yet so small. So if you only have like a small condo and you're just living alone, or if you just want something that's handy inside your room, then this is perfect. I think Slater travels with this.
Yes.
Yeah, he travels with this because
Slater can't sleep on a bed without first vacuuming it.
Yeah, because he's so allergic, even more allergic than me. So it's super small, oh. Imagine if you remove this.
But doesn't it take also the dust mites?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
I think it takes a lot of like really small particles. It's super duper powerful.
Item number 6.
Is
Item number 6. Our Google devices at home. We wanted to have a CCTV at the house. We didn't want the traditional one with cables and stuff because it's a rental house. So we didn't want to pull any wires through the walls and stuff, and we can't do that. So then we had to find an option, Wi-Fi enabled CCTV, and we ended up with the Google Nest because we want everything to be connected to one app. So we don't want to have several home apps. And then another one was it provides the best quality, in my opinion. It's not the cheapest. They have a new
It's not HD. You don't see your pores.
It is HD.
It is?
I can see your pores.
I don't. Okay, it's HD though.
It is. So basically, yeah, but it's convenient. You just plug it in, connect to the Wi-Fi, and then it saves it to the cloud. There are different subscription models and so forth, but no need to bore you with.
Yeah, but it took my hubs a long time before he decided which security system he's gonna go for. I think he ultimately weighed the price and the quality and the reliability and also the looks and everything else. So he weighed all of that amongst all of the different candidates. I swear to you, name the brand, he has researched them, and this one came out to be the ultimate winner for him. So that's why.
Originally, I wanted something which we don't have to even plug in, so it's battery operated. But all the battery operated obviously don't do continuous recording. They only do motion recording, and that's not so reliable. So then had to find something which is still connected to the power, so it's not completely cordless, but at least you don't have to run the wires to the main box. So that's it. And when we are on the topic, from the door locks to cameras to the main thing,
to our Google Home. So all of it is connected. So that was our number 6, the Nest cameras. So that's already connected to our Google Home, but also our doors are also connected to the Google Home. So even our speakers are also connected to the Google network. So this is our Google Home Max speakers. So this is our main speaker here in the common area. We have a lot of the mini versions also in all the different rooms, like in the bedroom and our home office. So all of them are interconnected. You can actually also just tell Google like, hey Google, close the door, because it's all connected to our Google Home. So our Google Home Max speaker can actually close the door from here. And then it's also connected, as I've said, all our other Google Home speakers. So when we say that, hey Google, play music in the living room and in the master bedroom. So it's gonna play in both rooms. So it just makes life more convenient. And hopefully when we have our own Cokoro home, we'll have Google Home stuff like, hey Google, open the lights. Hey Google, sexy lights. Just kidding. I don't know though if there are already Google Home suppliers here in the Philippines. I know I've only seen the mini speakers.
Yeah, very few.
Yeah, and the Nest, I don't know if it's already available from abroad. What we did was I asked my friend to bring it home from the States, or I'll just try to find links. If I don't find local links, I'm gonna put international links down below so you can find all these appliances easily.
And also with the cameras, if you want the subscription model, you can't subscribe in the Philippines. It has to be US account.
Yeah, which is not naman a big of deal. It just has a different time on your app thing. Now we're down to our last Cokoro home appliance favorite. Dun 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 dun!
The grill.
Okay, so I don't know anything about this, so back to you, Egan.
Okay, so CharBroil grill, sold locally, very nice stuff. They have different models, different amount of burners. We got the 3-burner or 4-burner version because if there are people here, then it's nicer to have a bit more space. And because we had space here at the backyard to put it on, so we got the 4-boiler thingy. Also, this is the infrared model, so it has the plates under the grill. For example, it falls to the plates and those are hot. First of all, they even the heat. And then when the stuff falls on it, it vaporizes and keeps the meat moist, so it doesn't dry out so easy. So basically that's it. In short, we have the side burner, which we haven't used once, but it's there.
What's a side burner? Like you can put like a pan and stuff?
And whatever you want to do at the same time. But the kitchen is right there, so we don't need it.
Ah, I see. So that is it for our favorite Cokoro home appliances. I hope that you guys found something that you like, or at least something that you haven't really discovered yet for yourself. If you have any questions about our home appliance choices, then please make sure to leave me a comment below and give me
A thumbs up.
bye, Cokoro! Ay, no, not Cokoro. Bye, Cam Fam!